Hi, parents, and welcome to Open House at SS Connor Elementary. I just wanted to take this time to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about our programs in our library so that you and your students can take advantage of them. My name is Suzanne Madrid. I am the librarian here at SS Connor. I have been in education for 10 years. I was a reading teacher for third, fourth, and fifth grades. I got my bachelor's at the University of Texas and my master's at University of North Texas. My master's is in information science. I have listed my email address here for you. So if you have any questions or are looking for a book or some resources for your student, please feel free to email me. Some of what we have to offer here is we have tutoring. Students can come to the library after school for tutoring on Mondays and Wednesdays from 3:30 to 4:30. Students can also sign up for tutoring during lunch. Tutoring is available in all content areas, so math, social studies, science. We will tutor for every content area. And also, if your child would like to listen to a read aloud, to read a book read aloud by me, we have on our website this little button here with a speaker, and you can push that button, and it will play read alouds that I have recorded for your student. So we have some parents that will click on it when their child is going to bed, and they can listen to a book as they go to sleep. In our library, we also have a makerspace. A makerspace program is available for all our learners. Here we will create, problem solve, do some research, answer any kind of inquiring questions. Also, parents, I would love to have you come to my library and help with the book fair as a book fair volunteer. You can adopt a reader. Our younger students need people to listen to them read, and we would love for you to adopt one of those readers. Or if you have a special talent that you want to share with our students, we would love for you to come and share that talent. Our library hours are Monday through Friday, 7:30 to 4:30, and here is the phone number for our library. I will be working with teachers on the campus, attending their PLCs weekly, helping them plan their lessons in every content area. I coordinate with teachers for special events, Read Across America, Women's History Month, Black History Month, Banned Books Week, book fairs, and science fairs. I am available to help them in any of those areas. Um, I will be having book clubs during lunch. Every 6 weeks, those will change as far as students will rotate through them, and our novels will change. We will do novel studies in the classroom, unit studies for our little guys like community workers, and then Texas history and U.S. history for our older students. Just some of the things that we offer here at SS Connor. Makerspace, a space for creating. We will have art nights where you can bring your student, and you and your student can unleash your inner artist and learn about the arts and learn about some artists that we would like to showcase. A book and build is a project based on a book, so we will definitely have those nights after we have finished some of our book club and our novel studies. Reading nights. Bring your parents for fun and games and reading. Bring your grandparents. Any adult that your student has is welcome to join us on our reading nights. We already talked about book club. We also will have a STEM club. You can join that for Science Technology Club, and we'll be using our makerspace in conjunction with that STEM club and the science teachers. A lunch and learn. Sometimes I'll have certain skills I'll be teaching during lunch, and students can pop in there and have their lunch and learn a skill. For our younger guys, we're going to have Teddy and me. Bring your teddy bear and read together. So we'll have certain times where we do that. We'll have a Pokemon club where come and catch them all. I'll have donuts with grown-ups periodically, so you can come in when you're dropping your child off and have a special breakfast and maybe read a book. And then, of course, our big readathon to raise money for a charity while we're reading. My role as an educator is to co-teach with all of our teachers in the building and to collaborate with them and plan with them. I am here as an informational specialist to help teachers and students find and access information they need, to educate students about digital citizenship. Our students are digital learners, and they are using the internet more than really any generation before them. And so we will educate students about what that looks like and how to stay safe and respectful online. I'll be training the staff on new technology that they can use in the classroom so that we can stay on top of all the new things that are offered for students in technology. I'm running programs and events and helping empower students to learn and to create. And I'm part of the leadership team, advocating for students, being active in the library community, helping the administrative team as part of the leadership team on our campus. Thank you for joining me tonight. I hope that you've had a fun time looking around the library, and please contact me if you have any questions at all. Have a good evening.